Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming which system you're on, iOS or Android, because the steps differ. Once done, backup settings to iCloud or Google Drive so you can revert if needed. Open Settings, then go straight to Accessibility on iPhone or System/Gestures on Android. You're looking for the floating home button control, often labeled Assistive Touch or Navigation Assist. From here, you'll make the first change to hide the on-screen home control. You'll now remove the button. On iPhone, tap Accessibility, then Touch, then Assistive Touch and toggle it off. That removes the floating home. On Android, open Settings, System, then Gestures or Navigation. Choose Gesture Navigation or disable the Accessibility floating button. Make sure to confirm any prompts. If your device offers gesture navigation, enable it so you retain full-screen navigation without the on-screen home. This replaces the button with swipe actions, preserving use. Finish by restarting your device to apply the UI changes. That often clears any lingering overlay. If the home button still appears, inspect apps with screen overlay or accessibility permission and revoke them one by one, because some apps recreate a floating button. Make sure to test gestures or hardware buttons before resetting. If nothing else works, reset accessibility settings, but do this only after backing up, because it restores defaults that you might have customized.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.